Alright guys, today we're going to be looking at the Windows XP mode available for Windows 7 Professional, Enterprise, and Ultimate. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to need to download it. What you're going to have to do, you're going to have to go to this website right here, or simply Google Windows XP mode, and then go to here. Should be about the first one. Alright, so now now that we're here, we're going to want to select our system. Like if you had Home Premiere Starter, it'll say you're not eligible. So I'm running on Ultimate 64 right now, and I'm going to go to English. So basically it's going to be very simple and tell you to install this download first. It's about a 500 megabyte file. You can save that, run it, whatever. I already done that. And then same as here, but this is only like an 8 megabyte file, and you can just open it and run. Alright, so now that once you have that thing downloaded, you're going to want to open that up. Now I already have this installed, so I'm not going to reinstall or anything, but you just hit next a few times, accept the license agreement, and then whatnot. It's pretty simple. So, and then same goes for the Windows. Once you're done installing that, see, it already says I have it. Once you're done doing that, then you're going to do the Windows Virtual PC. It's going to be the same thing, same deal. Alright, so now that we've done that, we're going to go to, then you're going to have to restart your computer. Now you've done that, you're going to run to Windows Virtual PC, and then under your Start menu, Start menu, All Programs, it's going to be under Windows Virtual PC. You're going to go to Windows XP mode. You're going to accept the terms, and it automatically selects your username for you, and just pick a random password, it doesn't matter. And you're probably going to want to turn on automatic updates for XP because it is basically a whole new system and it still is susceptible to viruses. So you're going to want to turn that on, and you're going to always want the latest. So then you're going to start setup. So basically this is just running through basically installing Windows XP, I guess, on a virtual file which acts as a virtual drive for Windows XP. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video and come right back to you. Alright, well basically what just happened, it just gave me a Windows, just like you normally would. Windows is logging in, just missed it. And so here it is. I'm booted up into Windows XP mode on Windows Virtual PC. So what this is telling me I need antivirus, so I'll probably be putting Avast on here. And basically it's a full Windows XP right here. Everything you got, like in a clean XP install. It's even got Pinball, which is pretty awesome. Pinball is not on Windows 7, and Vista is very disappointing. But let's just see see if the internet works and all. And it does. So it's running Internet Explorer 6, which I think is a little weird. Why they didn't give you Windows Internet Explorer 8, but whatever. So yeah, this is the Windows XP mode. Alright, and if you go to Tools and then you go to Settings, you're going to be able to change some settings around here for all your stuff. You'll have your network adapters and everything, DVD drive. You could even use this ISO image. This is all very similar to stuff like Parallels, if you ever used it on a Mac, or VMware for a PC or whatever. And Sun's Virtual Box, I want to call it. I think you have to, you have to shut down before you can change the memory, but you can give it more memory. So yeah. Alright, they also have a full screen mode. You go to Action, you can view the full screen, and that's just a full screen Windows XP. Now this isn't for gaming. If you expect you're going to be doing any gaming on this, you're wrong. It will not work. I was playing pinball a few seconds ago and it was still kind of lagging. It's really not going to do you any good for gaming support, but for running those applications that you really need to run on Windows XP and it will not work on Windows 7, this is a perfect way to do this. So another cool thing I just noticed you can do, you can actually even change the size just by going like this. You can have a super wide screen and whatnot. Alright, well, another thing we could do now is you can install software using the Windows XP mode, and then when you're done installing it, you should be able to find it on your start menu somewhere in your Windows folder. So let's go ahead and start downloading Firefox. And just kidding. So now we're going to launch Firefox right in the Windows virtual area. Let's don't import anything. And here we are. Now we're in Firefox. So now I can go ahead. Alright, so now that we got Firefox installed here, we can just minimize this and go to Windows Virtual Machine and then go to Applications, and then you'll see the Firefox, and you can start it right here. Okay, so to open it, you gotta actually close the virtual machine. So we're going to continue that. So this is what makes the features and everything so great. It's going to open up Windows XP Firefox right on top of Windows 7, the whole interface. So, and then this is even showing my Windows stuff here. So this is incredibly convenient for anyone who has an application. They don't even have to boot into the application. Now, features like this can be utilized for something like Office 2003, and then you can have Office 2007 running alongside it. You could also use Windows XP mode for drivers with an old incompatible device. The possibilities are almost endless. So basically, I just want to show you guys this video and just let you know that you have an extra feature if you pay a little bit more for the premium and ultimate, not premium, professional and ultimate versions of Windows 7. That you guys should mess around with this fun little application they have. Definitely go download it, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.